guys, today I want to talk to you about 7 different ways that you can have some fun in your terminal. The first thing that I want to show you is how you could get your terminal to talk back to you. You just type in say, and you can make your terminal say whatever you want. So say I wanted to have my terminal say, hi Jasmine. I just type in,
hi Jasmine.
And there you go. The second thing I want to show you is how you can watch Star Wars right in your terminal. So what you need to do is type in nc towel.blinken lights.no23. And there you go. This is just a credit slide saying who made it. Then we wait a couple of seconds. And the animation begins. So if you ever wanted to watch a movie, you can do it right in your terminal. Now, the third thing that I want to show you guys today is how you can talk to a therapist right in your terminal. You type in Emacs, intern, and then you see this screen. Now, I want you to hold down the ESC key at the top left corner of the keyboard, and then press X. Then type in doctor. Now you see I am the psychotherapist. You can tell the psychotherapist whatever you want for that day. So I feel sad, and it will ask you questions. Why do you feel sad? Because I am stuck at home. Yes. And then so on. It will ask a lot of interesting questions. And then let's check the weather for this week. Type in call, http, wttr.in. A lot of rain for the next couple of days. Now let's play some games in our terminal. Let's go back to Emacs. And this time, we're going to hold the Fn key at the bottom left corner of your keyboard and the F10 key at the top right. Now we see here tools. I want you to type in T. Now type in G for games. Now there's a whole list of games that you could play in your terminal. Let's try and play Snake today. Okay. So if you're ever feeling bored during quarantine and want to play a quick game, you can do it right in your terminal now. Finally, let's try to stock our favorite websites. If you type in who is, and then the website that you want to get more information on, it will show you a lot of interesting facts. I typed in Instagram, but you can do any website that you're curious about, and we can see here things like their street, city, state, phone number, and interesting facts. Finally, I wanted to show you how you can make it snow in your terminal when it is in the middle of summer. I will paste this code in the description below for you guys to use. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until next time.